Hello everyone, my name is Junhua Qian. I just started my YouTube channel Top Feed this week. I will build this channel into the most successful and popular fitness channel in the world. So please subscribe to my channel and let's make it happen together. Okay. Today I have challenged myself to accomplish all my goals in my lifetime starting from today. The main three goals are health. I want to be as healthy and fit as I can. The second is wealth. I want to achieve financial freedom and be as wealthy as I can in my lifetime. The third goal is relationship. I want to have the most fulfilling relationship with my life partner. So that's all three main goals in my life. But I also challenged myself to other goals, like to be competitive in combat sports, like Kung Fu, boxing, Jiu-Jitsu, wrestling, which I'm going to share with you in my videos as well. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will share with you my progress. So today I started challenging myself against nature. I was inspired by Bear Grylls' popular TV show, Men vs. Nature. Men vs. Wild, actually. So my video series would be Men vs. Nature. So I want to explore the nature. This is my backyard. You see, it's a beautiful backyard. I love it. But I want to explore the wild nature as well. So I'm going to show you my progress, my journeys, my explorations in the wild nature, like backpacking, climbing, exploring, hiking, camping, hunting, everything I want to learn and try in my whole life. I think that would be awesome. So look at this view. And my neighbor's house. Look at this beautiful nature we are blessed with. I think we want to explore the Mother Earth, live our best life, learn everything that the nature, the Mother Earth has offered. So that's what I aspire to achieve, be as healthy and wealthy and successful as I can, and explore the whole world, explore the nature, and share with you, my audience, everything I have learned. So let's embark on this wonderful journey together. Please subscribe to my channel. I will share with you all my explorations and experiences. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. Have a wonderful day.